Once upon a time, on the lush and vibrant island of Jamaica, there lived a young princess named Hilary. She was known not just for her kind heart and radiant smile, but also for a secret: she possessed incredible magic powers gifted to her by the spirits of the island's ancient ancestors. One day, dark clouds gathered over Jamaica as a fleet of invaders from a distant land threatened to conquer her homeland. The invaders were ruthless, seeking to steal the island's treasures and control its beautiful beaches and rainforests. The people of Jamaica were frightened. They looked to Princess Hilary for hope. Hilary stepped forward, her eyes glowing with a mysterious light. She called upon her magic to protect her island. With a wave of her hand, she summoned a mighty storm. Thunder roared and lightning flashed, not to destroy, but to shield. The winds picked up, swirling fiercely around the invaders' ships, making them lost and disoriented. The waves grew taller, crashing against their vessels, forcing them to retreat. But Hilary's magic was more than just power over the elements. She whispered ancient chants, calling upon the spirits of the rainforest, the mountains, and the sea. From the depths of the Caribbean Sea, shimmering dolphins leapt into the air, forming a barrier of protection. From the mountains, the mighty iguanas and parrots rallied, creating a natural army against the invaders. Seeing the strength and unity of Jamaica's spirit, the invaders finally turned tail and sailed away, never to return. The island's people cheered, their hearts filled with pride and gratitude. Princess Hilary's magic had saved Jamaica, not just with power, but with the love and spirit of her people. And from that day on, whenever the island faced trouble, the legend of Princess Hilary and her magic powers lived on, inspiring generations to remember that true strength comes from the heart, rooted in the magic of their land. And so, the island of Jamaica remained forever free, vibrant, and magical, thanks to its brave princess and the spirit of the island she loved so dearly.